Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries, and supply chains are no exception. Imagine a world where products magically appear on shelves just as you need them. AI is making this dream a reality. It can analyze vast amounts of data to predict demand, optimize inventory, and streamline logistics. This means faster deliveries, lower costs, and happier customers. AI acts like a superhero, using its powers to solve complex problems. It can predict disruptions like natural disasters or political unrest, allowing businesses to adapt quickly and minimize losses. AI can also identify patterns and anomalies that humans might miss, leading to improved efficiency and reduced waste. Despite its potential, AI adoption in supply chains faces challenges. Data quality is crucial for AI to function effectively. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to poor decisions and wasted resources. Another challenge is the need for skilled talent to develop, implement, and manage AI systems. Integration of AI into existing systems can be complex and costly. Ethical concerns also arise, such as the potential for bias in AI algorithms or the impact on jobs. Furthermore, resistance to change from employees who fear job displacement or lack understanding of AI can hinder adoption. Addressing these challenges is crucial for successful AI implementation. Companies must invest in data cleansing and standardization to ensure data quality. Collaborations with universities and training programs can help bridge the skills gap. A phased approach to integration, starting with pilot projects, can minimize disruption and allow for adjustments along the way. Ethical considerations should be incorporated from the outset, with clear guidelines and oversight. Open communication, training, and highlighting the benefits of AI can alleviate employee concerns and foster a culture of innovation. Section 4, Company Def, a case study in AI triumph. Company Def, a global